How to become wealthy in 2 years. What is one strategy to become wealthy in 2 years? To help you become wealthy in 2 years, we asked successful entrepreneurs and investors this question for their best insights. Let's start. From becoming financially literate through self-education to investing in your skills, there are several tips that may help you become wealthy in the future. Here are the strategies to become wealthy in 2 years. Become financially literate through self-education. We've all heard the stories about people who won the lottery or got million-dollar salaries playing professional sports but then were broke within years. One of the most important factors in both becoming wealthy and staying that way is educating yourself on how to be very financially literate. It's no good to just amass money if you don't know how to hold on to it. Earn money as a teen. If you are a teen, suppose a 13-year-old who wants to earn money, then this might be a great option for you. Being literate through self-education is the best possible thing you can do to earn money as a 13-year-old in the long run. Spend less, earn more, invest the difference. That's the basic wealth equation. Spending less is the most powerful and easiest strategy. If you manage to save $500 in a month, that means you are saving $6,000 in a year and $30,000 in 5 years. All that just by finding ways you can save once. Earning more is powerful too, but harder. Ask for a raise, apply to 100 jobs with better pay than your current one, and start generating a side income with freelance work or starting a business. Do something you love. You can receive all of the targeted financial advice in the world, but the best way to become wealthy in 5 years is by doing something that you truly love. When you are invested in and enjoy your work-related duties, then it's no longer work, but an extension of who you are as an individual. If you're doing something that is successful and brings in a good income flow, loving the entire process will decrease the chances of burnout and increase your productivity. Invest in properties. Buying, developing, and selling real estate is a tried and true method of amassing a sizable cash position. One of the most important aspects is that borrowing money allows you to gain leverage on your venture. Assume you borrow $200,000 and contribute $50,000 of your own money to purchase a $250,000 house. The property is then developed and sold for $400,000. The property's worth has climbed by 60%, while your $50,000 has grown fourfold to $200,000. You must carefully pick and develop the correct properties in the right regions. You are vulnerable to property market booms and busts. However, in the long run, this is a tried and true method of accumulating wealth. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our video.